smartPAL is a comprehensive digital platform that provides you with the tools you need to optimize and manage your maritime operations. Digitalize and transform your company, transitioning to smarter ship management. Cloud-based, class-certified maritime digital solutions that provide intuitive data and statistics to aid decision-making. Dynamic interfaces with real-time data and notifications, and integrated mobile apps that are accessible both online and offline. Take AI-driven decisions via the Business Intelligence module, a customizable dashboard, display the most important data, and integrate with various third-party apps and functionalities. smartPAL has been implemented on over 3,000 vessels, trusted by over 80 clients, and securely handles data of over 50,000 seafarers globally. A comprehensive maritime digital solutions suite, smartPAL offers over 30 applications. Adopt a smarter strategy for your maritime operations by utilizing integrated modules such as procurement, technical, HRM, operational, ship safety management software, finance, insurance, administration, and CRM. The modules integrate seamlessly together to provide a one-stop solution for your ship management needs. Find over 200 analytical and interactive reports. Flexible and efficient procurement systems with dynamic workflow configuration, which automates purchase-to-pay processes. Manage numerous port calls daily with seamless ship-to-shore communication. Forecast, plan, monitor, and communicate with your crew from one platform, maximizing productivity and optimizing the effectiveness of your seafarers. Easy to install and configure, and with our dedicated support, we can reduce implementation times, reduce infrastructure costs, and increase the system scalability, and also support seamless data migration from legacy systems. With over a decade of experience, MariApps offers the best customer support to help you implement, train, and start your digitalization journey with smartPAL. Discover new features based on customer feedback that continue evolving based on your needs. Dedicated teams are working around the world to create, support, and maintain features that will undoubtedly transform the maritime industry. Choose smart. Choose smartPAL.